Kitchen sink not draining and toilet not flushing? That plumber bill might have shocked you, but let's break down what's going on and if it's actually fair. So, first off, when your kitchen drain and toilet both act up, it often means the main drain line is clogged or damaged, which sucks because it's not a quick fix. The plumber used a camera to inspect the entire sewer line from the roof vent to the kitchen stack. That's smart because you can't just guess where the problem is. They found issues in the drain pipe behind the kitchen sink wall and also near the toilet, so this wasn't just a simple clog. Cutting drywall and breaking concrete to fix pipes sounds expensive, but sometimes necessary when pipes are hidden inside walls or under floors. Replacing parts like the 1.5-inch Y fitting under the sink also adds to the cost, plus pulling up the toilet and breaking the floor to reach pipes. After all that, they ran the camera again to make sure the problem was fully fixed, which is good practice. They even tested the toilet flush multiple times with toilet paper to confirm everything cleared properly. All in all, fixing underground or behind-the-wall pipes can quickly add up because of labor and materials, especially with concrete work involved. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with drain and toilet issues is ignoring slow drainage till it gets worse. Waiting just makes repairs more costly. Another common problem is hiring an unlicensed plumber who might miss hidden damage or cause more issues. Always check credentials before hiring. Also, some folks don't get a detailed estimate up front and later get hit with surprise charges for things like cutting drywall or replacing fittings. To fix these, start by calling a licensed plumber who offers a thorough inspection with a camera, so you know exactly what's wrong. Ask for a written quote that covers labor, parts, and any special work like concrete breaking. Don't ignore slow drains or gurgling toilets because early fixes are way cheaper. Finally, get references or reviews to avoid sketchy contractors. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local plumbers and contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by connecting them with real clients who need their skills.